As we all know, that getting a property, a house, a condo, or a lot is a major decision. It's a big purchase that involves big money. So you have to do your due diligence the right way. So in this video, I'm going to share to you my top 2 things that you can consider or take into account before committing to that purchase. First on the list is check the track record of that developer. Let's say for example, may napusuan kang bahay or project or subdivision. And for you to start, for you to know whether this is okay or not, check mo muna kung ano yung mga historical performance ng mga project niya. Kung okay ba or hindi. By there, you get the feels kung okay pala sila. They're good, they're prominent, okay yung brand nila. Second is check on reviews and testimonial. Kasi those people na nakatira na doon or may experience na, you get first-hand data from them. So, alam nila what it's like living in there. And bonus tip, you can check on your agents as well. You can ask, confirm, kung get data, get information, be educated, be informed from them, but do your homework as well. Do your assignments, confirm what they said, do some fact-checking as well. Okay? Counterintuitive man kasi agent din ako, pero that's what I do whenever I do a purchase. Tinitignan, I do my homework, I do my assignments, kung confirm ba yung sinabi niya, and okay ba, and I do reviews and everything. So, that's it. That's my top 2 things that you can consider before getting a purchase. And if you are actively looking for a property now, that I can give you a list, or I can recommend some projects that you may start checking out. Thank you so much and have a good day.